We are in my fiance's car, and she's stuck in the past because she uses this entire cord to connect to CarPlay in her Jeep Cherokee, and that is embarrassing. And more than anything, it's embarrassing for me because I don't want to be with someone that uses a cord for CarPlay. And she also has the issue where things just, it disconnects, or you know, the cable gets loose, and it's just annoying. So what we have here is OTTOCAST. This is the Mini Nova, and it's just a little USB dongle that we're gonna put in here, and that is going to allow us to have wireless CarPlay. It does also work for Android Auto, but if you have that, then you have more issues in your life than I care to deal with. Anyways, inside of here, what you're gonna notice is the actual dongle itself. What's really nice is they do also include an adapter, if my fat finger can pop it out. That'll turn it from the USB-A into USB-C, which if you have a Bushi car that doesn't have USB-A and it does have USB-C and you don't have wireless CarPlay, that's crazy. But as you can see here, it's a very nice little neat device. Not really anything too crazy to it, but we'll take it. We'll unplug this for the last time, this godforsaken long ass braided cable, and we are gonna go ahead and just pop this in like so, and you'll see a little red light. And now what's really magical is we have CarPlay. Right up on the screen, it just pops up and it says connect via Bluetooth. So I'm going to hack into my fiance's phone. All right, so we're gonna go into Bluetooth here, and here it is, car 2. All right, tap on that. It's gonna say pair. We don't see the code up there, that's okay. We're gonna allow contacts and all that to sync. Connect to CarPlay, see that right there? That's pretty exciting because this cable is not plugged in. Continue, let it do its thing. Oh my Lord, look at that. CarPlay, phone is not plugged in, and you have access to everything like you normally would. It is very embarrassing that, you know, she's using Apple Music and not Spotify. But again, guys, you know, you can't find someone perfect. You just find someone that can put up with you. But yeah, it works. It works. She's laughing, or no, she's mad. She's giving me the finger. No, I'm just kidding. So anyways, everything works here. I don't want to go through and expose, you know, all her, oh God, her mom and her dad. Oh my God. And then of course, we can just look at the map. Everything works perfectly. And I don't want to get copyright, but you can see that works no problem as well. So just like that, we are connected through Bluetooth. And what's really exciting is, turn the car off. I'm gonna open the door. Car's off, right? And this is one of her biggest problems, like getting in, and God forbid she has to plug something into her phone. That's a lot of work. So put your foot on the brake, you start the car, and oh, key fob not detected again. It's a very old, very, very old car. And it's a Jeep, so you just feel bad for her. But look at that, like instant, works perfectly, still plays, no problem, exactly as expected. So that, my friends, is the OTTOCAST Mini Nova. This thing, 10 out of 10. I'll leave a link to it down below in the description. If you have any questions, let me know. But this is the way forward. Stop being that friend that has this, all right? This is a great gift for people that just don't have the brain power to come up with purchasing one of these on their own. So that's gonna do it though. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one, okay?